Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing a Demodog, one of the iconic creatures from the Stranger Things universe, but reimagined in a cute retro cartoon style. For this version, we took a lot of inspiration from Pluto, Mickey's classic dog, to give our Demodog a friendly, playful personality. Grab your drawing tools, get comfy, and let's start. Let's start with the mouth shape, drawing it closed so it looks more like a snout instead of the Demodog's usual flower-like mouth. Now, refine that snout mouth, keeping it smooth and rounded to reinforce the cute cartoon dog look. Add the tongue sticking out playfully. Even though Demodogs don't have tongues, this gives our version a fun, dog-like vibe. Now, draw the small cartoon-style teeth, sharp but rounded enough to stay friendly and playful. Let's shape the head, remembering that Demodogs don't have eyes, so we focus on smooth forms and expressive shapes instead. And remember, if any part feels tricky or moves too fast, pause the video and draw at your own pace. Demodogs are juvenile forms of the Demogorgon from Stranger Things. They come from the Upside Down, a dark parallel dimension connected to our world. In the series, Dustin names his Demodog D'Artagnan, or Dart for short. Add the collar around the neck, just like a pet dog, to enhance that Pluto-inspired design. Demodogs don't have eyes. They sense the world through sound and movement. Their mouth opens like a flower, revealing rows of sharp teeth. Draw the bone-shaped pendant hanging from the collar, giving our Demodog even more charm. Let's move on to the torso, keeping it slim and flexible, clearly inspired by Pluto's classic cartoon proportions. Draw the back legs with bent knees and rounded paws, adding sharp cartoon claws at the tips. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And tell me in the comments, which character should we turn into a cartoon next? Now sketch the front legs, strong but simple, supporting the body naturally. As they grow, Demodogs eventually evolve into full Demogorgons. The Upside Down is toxic to humans, filled with spores and decaying organic matter. Many creatures from the Upside Down are controlled by a hive mind connection. Stranger Things mixes classic 80s horror with science fiction and adventure. The Demodog quickly became one of the most memorable creatures in the series. few motion lines on the sides to show that it's wagging happily. Let's add some circular spots to add a bit more personality to our Demodog. For colors, we used soft, fleshy pink tones with darker spots, a blue collar, and a bright red tongue. But feel free to color your Demodog however you like. And here's our Demodog, cute, retro, and full of cartoon personality. I hope you had fun. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.